Hello everyone, and welcome to the ESD Tech Forum. Today's session is all about boards, edge intelligence, and the industrial IoT, and how these technologies are shaping the future of connected systems. I'm your host Raymond, and joining us is Stanley from AMobile, here to share how their Genio-based platforms are powering real-world AIoT solutions from board to development.
Hey everyone, I'm Stanley. I'm the General Manager for AMobile at the USA branch office. I'm responsible for the operation in North America. Let me give you another kind of introduction for AMobile. So AMobile is a global leader for HAI and industrial mobile solutions. We have focused on providing the high-performance system on module and vision technology. We have a strong in-house R&D and close relationship with MediaTek, so we can allow us to provide AIoT solutions quickly in applications such as smart retail, smart home, and industrial automations.
We're glad to have Stanley with us today. Stanley, before we dive in, can you tell us a little more about AMobile and why you've chosen to focus on Edge AI?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. AMobile has been around for a while as a provider of industrial mobile solutions. Things like rugged handhelds, tablets, and edge devices that can have to handle tough environments. A big part of our strength comes from our background with MediaTek chipsets. We've been working with them for many years, so we really understand how to optimize their performance. And now those same chipsets are powerful enough to run Edge AI run on a device, and that's a big deal because it means industry can process data instantly, keep things secure, and cut down on latency. So whether it's a smart manufacturing, public safety, or logistics, our customer can get real-time decision making without being dependent on the cloud.
Thank you, Stanley. Can you share why AMobile decided to build its solution on MediaTek Genio platform?
Sure. Yeah, we choose the MediaTek Genio platform because it builds with a modern 6nm process. It is the newest and most capable platform in the MediaTek lineup. It offers the performance, efficiency, flexibility our AIoT customer will need. AMobile has been part of the MediaTek ecosystem since its beginning, most recently helping the design and manufacturing of its evaluation kits. So building on Genio was a natural next step. Just as importantly, our customers in retail, safety, and industrial automations have been asking for more powerful HAI solutions. So Genio gives us the right foundation to deliver exactly that.
Great. Can you tell us about the positioning of some of your system on module products? And maybe start by walking us through the SoM SD520, your system on module based on the Genio 520.
Absolutely. So the SoM SD520 is our compact, high-performance system on module designed for AIoT developers looking for powerful Edge AI in small footprint. It is powered by the MediaTek Genio 520. It's octa-core CPU and paired with NPU, providing 9 TOPS of the computing power, make it ideal for demanding edge workloads like vision analytics, smart assistance, and real-time inference. The SD520 includes 8 GB of memory and 64 GB of storage. So it can run multiple apps and handle media smoothly. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and Gigabit Ethernet, giving you plenty of options for smart home devices, retail tech, or industrial systems. It is also developer-friendly with a full support for both Android 15 and Yato Linux. So whether you're creating an edge, powerful camera or kiosk or interactive device, the SoM SD520 will give you a strong foundation to go to the market more quickly.
And how about the more advanced version, the SoM SD720? What are some of its key advantages?
Yeah, the SoM SD720 is our high-end system on module built on the MediaTek Genio 720 platform. It's made for projects that need additional AI processing, a greater multimedia capability. So similar to the SD520, it is powered by an octa-core processor and NPU that delivers 10 TOPS, allowing more complex workloads such as transformer models or generative AI tasks. In particular, for vision applications, it supports up to 2 internal ISP and 6 HD cameras using the MIPI virtual channels. This is perfect for AI camera situations that require rapid and secure edge processing. In addition to comparable memory storage and connectivity options to the SD520, the SD720 supports Ubuntu for additional developer flexibility.
Okay, so how can developers get started with the SoM SD520 or the SD720? Do you offer development kits or reference boards that engineering teams can use for testing?
Yes, we have designed a flexible and developer-friendly evaluation platform that will support both SD520 and SD720. It's based on a module design. The I/O board, or we call it the carrier board, on the bottom remains fixed, while the SoM module on top is interchangeable, allowing the developers to swap between the ST520 or ST720, depending on their project needs. To make life easier for engineers, we provide everything needed to get started. This includes a quick start guide and the hardware guide, the schematics, the 2D and 3D mechanical drawings, and the full evaluation kit overview. All of these resources can be found on our website at amobilesolutions.com.
That's great to hear. So how do developers actually take the Genio 520 and turn it into a real product? Can you share a practical example of how this board has been used in the field?
Sure. So at AMobile, we have a dedicated team and developing the vision AI solutions on the MediaTek Genio platform. One practical example is our AI camera system. In the real deployments, this AI cam has been used in smart homes and buildings, intelligent healthcare and senior care, industrial and warehouse safety, and smart retail. Because all the AI processing happens on the camera itself, there's no need for cloud connectivity or even an external edge device. That means faster decision, lower bandwidth use, and higher reliability in the safety critical environments. From a spec perspective, it supports a 2MP4 HD sensor with an excellent low light performance down to 0.01 lux, and also aperture for clear night visions. It also supports triple streaming with different formats such as the H265. Built-in micro SD storage up to the 512 gigabytes is also rated IP667 for outdoor use. So in short, the SB&B520 has allowed us to create a compact, powerful AI camera and can be adapted for home security, industrial safety, and retail intelligence. And all that real-time decision making is on the local of the camera.
That sounds impressive. So how does the AI cam actually fit into a smart home setup?
Yeah, you can think about the AI camera, just not more than just a camera, basically. It's like having an extra set of intelligent eyes on your home 24/7. It is designed to keep your household safe in real time. The AI is where it really shines. It recognizes people and objects in real time and flags unexpected moments and even analyze the visual clues like flickering lights or color changes to detect early signs of fire or smoke. In a smart home, that could mean watching over an elderly family member with AI-driven fall detection, keep an eye on kids while you are in another room, or simply securing doors or living spaces against intrusions. With its 127-degree ultra-wide lenses, it captures an entire room in the crisp Full HD, and it does this while optimizing the bandwidth and storage thanks to the support of the H265 and H264. It also built for all day and all night performance, down to just 0.01 lux to a low light scenes, and come with the infrared light vision that works out to 30 meters. So whether it's bright daylight or pitch dark, you can still get a clear, reliable view. And here is the best part. Everything processed is right on the device. No cloud dependency and no delays. Just instant alert and even the ability to trigger automation workflows in your smart home system. So AI Cam does not just record what's happening, it actually actively helps you to protect your home, your family, and your peace of mind.
Can you give us a specific example of how the AI cam is used in a real safety critical scenario, such as fire detection in a smart home?
Sure. So one great example of how the AI camera works in the smart home is fire detection in the kitchen. So imagine you're in the room or even away from home. The camera is constantly watching for the early sign of danger, like the flicker or the flames or the whiffs of the rising smoke or sudden changing lighting. If it sees something that looks like a fire, it doesn't wait. It instantly triggers a local alarm and sends an alert straight to your phone or your home automation hub. This means you or emergency services can respond much faster, often before a standard smoke detector will even go off. The same intelligence applies to motion or intrusion detections. AI can use real-time recognition to stop people or objects moving where they should not be. And for both fire and security, all the analysis happen right inside the camera, so alerts are instant, reliable, and private.
Okay. What about elder care? Can the AI cam support fall detection or similar safety functions for seniors?
Yes, absolutely. So in the elderly care, the AI camera can make a real difference. It's smart enough to recognize the posture and movement patterns, so it detects a fall or notices someone lying on the floor longer than normal. It automatically sends the real-time alerts to give to the caregiver or family members. This can prevent dangerous delays in getting help, especially for people living alone or need the assisted living. You can even set out a custom detection zone or fine-tune motions sensitivity to focus on the high-risk area and count down the false alarm. Our team has also built in advanced event-based vision sensor technology. This works a bit like a human eye. Instead of constantly capturing the full image, it detects only the change in lights and the movements that cross a set threshold. Every pixel acts independently, which means it's faster and more efficient and far more private because it's not storing the actual image, just the motion events themselves. So whether it's for the fall detections or monitoring the high-risk spaces or protecting privacy, the AI cam is designed to keep people like elders safe while respecting their privacy.
Okay, we've talked a lot about smart home safety, but what about retail? Can AI cam be integrated with other software systems to create completely new experiences?
Yeah, absolutely. So AI cam not just for homes, of course. So it's also a powerful tool for smart retail. So for example, we have partnered with supermarkets to deploy the AI camera throughout the store. When the customer walks and wants to plan dinner, the camera working AI customer service software can determine if the shopper is male or female, and then suggest whether they might be looking for meat, seafood, or plant-based options. From there, it can recommend seafood recipe based on the current promotions, or visually guide them to the right sections, whether it's a frozen food or it's a fresh produce or at a seafood counter, even down to the shelf level directions. The shoppers can find exactly what they needed. The result, basically, a better shopping experience, bigger basket, and more effective promotion for retailers.
Right. Personalizing the experience of shoppers sounds like a good business strategy, but what kind of insights can companies gain by employing AI cameras in their stores?
Yeah, good question. So in retail, the AI camera does a lot more just help the shoppers, but they also provide a powerful in-store analytics. For example, the system can see how long the customer leaning in front of the certain shops, giving the manager insight into the popular products or areas where extra assistance might be needed. It can also be tracking the traffic patterns. If the data shows that many people gather near the dairy section in summer, the store could use the opportunity to cross-promote ice cream or frozen treats nearby, boosting their basket size and sales. So it's not just a smart service, it's actually a smart business strategies powered by the real-time behavioral data. On the tech side, AI camera handles all the lighting conditions with true night and day switching. You also have a wide dynamic range, keeping the video crystal clear at the entrance, the parking lot, and also the critical areas. So it can count foot traffic, analyze the shopper behavior, ensure safety in main stores or kiosk. And because all the processing happens right on the device, the alerts and insights are instant. And we also have the SDK was supported to make it easy to customize for tracking people, or tracking vehicles, or even other objects.
We've seen how AI cam works in home and retail. What about industrial environments? Can it be used for visual inspection or automation in smart factories?
Yeah, absolutely. So in a smart factory, for example, the AI cam can serve as a real-time visual inspectors. They're capable of detecting service defects, missing components, or color inconsistency directly on the production line. It uses the edge AI models trained on the convolutional neural networks. Since all the processing happens locally, inspection is immediate and does not require a cloud connection, which is critical for speed data security. AI cams also monitor the equipment status and worker safety. For example, checking if workers are wearing proper helmets or vests in the restricted zones. It's a scalable and cost-effective solution that brings intelligence to industrial environments with the manual infrastructure changes.
There are a lot of system on module and single board computer options out there today. What makes AMobile's platform stand out from others on the market? Are there any unique advantages that developers or businesses should know about?
What sets AMobile apart is that we don't just offer the general purpose boards. We deliver production-ready, application-focused SoM and SBC platform. We optimize for the real-world AIoT deployments. First, we build on MediaTek Genio platform, which provides high-performance AI and lower power consumption, perfect for edge AI. And second, our boards are designed with long-term industrial use in mind, while temperature, flexible I/O, and ruggedized options for smart retail, factory automations, and more. And unlike many other generic development kits, AMobile provides full system integration support, including the carrier board schematic, the 2D, 3D mechanical files, and documentations. So developers can go from prototyping to productions faster and more confidently.
Looking ahead, what's next for MediaTek? Where do you see your platforms going in the near future?
Yeah, so we're also developing an AI box PC based on the Genio 520 and 720. Our goal is to provide an edge AI controller that uses the Genio 520 and 720 SoM module and the carrier boards. It will combine with the AMobile AI SDK, which enables the user to build their own AI applications. The AI SDK integrates the MediaTek newer SDK and offers a unified API for the Android developers. It will simplify their hardware-level capacity. And AMobile continues to expand into new vertical markets and strengthen our global presence. So beyond smart home, retail, manufacturing, we see significant opportunities for edge AI in smart cities, automotive systems, and energy infrastructures. So our aim is to make Genio power solutions more scalable and accessible, allowing the developers and business worldwide to deploy intelligent edge systems more quickly and confidently.
We're now heading into a 2-minute live Q&A session. We'll be picking up a few questions from the online audience and having Stanley respond in real time. Let's take a look at the first question.